It's never about time. It's always about priorities in life. A lot of corporate professionals, especially in their mid-careers, right, when they have crossed 10, 15 years in their careers, they tell me, I don't have time for myself. I need to give time to my family. I need to give time to my friends. My work takes a lot of time. I need to do a lot of things, but I don't have time. Now, I tell them only one thing. It's not about time. It's about priorities. Think about it. Like if your kid, if you are a parent, and if your kid is not keeping well or need you at that particular time, would you not prioritize your kid and then put everything at a different priority and do this? Of course you will do it, right? If you have a travel that's planned with your family, which is important, like, or if you have a function in your family, like somebody getting married or somewhere you have to do some function, right? Don't you allocate time for that? How does that happen? You're still busy, but you're able to allocate time. It's about the priority. If you have an important meeting with your client, won't you do that by putting all the other tasks on behind? Right? What is it? It's all about priorities. Like if you want to grow, it is also about your priorities.